think about you lately. All I seem to do, this boy has got.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to have a self-care day. I spent the past couple of weeks not really taking good care of myself and I need to take some time, I need some space. I want to relax and take the day slowly and do things that make me happy.
Got me crazy, yeah. You got me stressing, a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressed.
When I hear self-care day, bubble bath and drinking a lot of water comes to my mind, which sounds ridiculous. I know this won't fix your issues overnight, but a bubble bath is very relaxing. Before that, I want to catch up on other things and clean my house, just do things that make me feel good and things that I don't have time to do during the week, like nourishing my body, getting some greens in my system, and cleaning up and organizing the house, which is very nice because this way it kind of gets me a little bit tired, gets my mind off everything. But later on, when I decide to pamper myself, it feels so much better and so rewarding.
I think about you lately. All I seem to do, this boy has got me crazy. Yeah, you got me stressing, a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy, you know just what you do. Yeah, I'll climb the highest mountain, I'll sail the open seas. Oh, oh, would you do it for me? I'd take a bullet for you. You'd sit and watch me bleed. Oh. You wouldn't do it for me. Wouldn't do it for me. Wouldn't do it for me. No waiting, boy.
I mean, it's a little bit better. This is my space is small, so I can organize it more than this, but I'm happy that there is not that much clutter right now. And I also decided to make my favorite ginger tea that I have been obsessed with lately. It is easy to make, but it takes about 20 minutes, so making it a big batch in advance will save me so much hassle during the week, and I love this warm after dinner or over ice during the day. It is so good. And it's time for some baking. Baking is a stress reliever for me, and it wouldn't be a self-care day without banana bread. Honestly, I haven't made one since quarantine time last year. It's just because, social media was saturated with banana bread pictures and I got sick of it, but I love banana bread and the one I'm making, it's on the healthier side, so I don't feel guilty of enjoying a little piece of sweet treat. And I also have this recipe on my blog. I will leave the link down below. I highly recommend you checking it out because it is a few ingredients and it's on the healthier side. Now I need to clean the mess because it is a disaster after I cook, and it's always like this.
I need you. You're stuck in my mind. No stop until I please you. Yeah, you got me stressed and a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy.
And I don't know if you guys have tried banana bread with almond butter and extra bananas and hemp seeds, but it is bomb.
Stressing, a little obsessive. I can see it through. You got me stressing, boy.
And now it's time for the pamper session. For me, this will be a nice, long and relaxing bath. And before I hop in the tub, I'm applying hair mask on my hair. The warm water will make the mask penetrate much better, and I'm being proactive and killing two birds with one stone.
No one can make me feel the way you do. Kiss me and slowly I dive into you. Baby, you're one in a million, and I don't need a reason to let you. No one can ever replace you in my.
And I'm so sorry, this looks scary. I don't know how other girls look cute with those. I hope you don't have nightmares.
Fall in love, ooh, I fall in love so hard with you, my baby. Now I'm dripping on you, baby. Give me love, ooh, give me your love and never let me go, baby. 'Cause we're meant to be, baby. Believe me, I will give you all I have. Don't worry, 'cause I'm the best you ever had. Baby, you're my everything. I don't need anything but you. No one can ever replace you in my heart. Fall in love, ooh, I fall in love so hard with you, my baby. Now I'm tripping on you, baby. Give me love, ooh, give me your love and never let me go, baby. 'Cause we're meant to be, baby.
I finished the day up low-key and I rewatched Eat, Pray, Love. I hope you guys liked this video and found some inspiration for your next self-care day. If you like this type of content, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and stick around. I will also leave my Instagram down below in case you want to check and follow me over there. I will follow you back. Bye!
Dripping on you, baby.